This is a 1951 Olympia SM2 restoration in progress. It's been disassembled, all the parts have been cleaned up, and it's pretty well ready to go back together now. Has new rubber on the platen. The finish is in pretty good shape. It does have some nicks. It looks pretty good overall.